Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Alexa. To begin, simply unbox your new Alexa device and plug it into a power source. Next, download the Amazon Alexa application onto your smartphone or tablet. The app will guide you through connecting your device to your home's Wi-Fi network in just a few easy steps. Once connected, you can activate Alexa by saying its wake word, Alexa, followed by your command. It's a straightforward process to get started with your new voice assistant. Alexa can simplify many daily tasks. You can effortlessly play your favorite music by simply asking it to stream from services like Amazon Music or Spotify. Need to know the weather? Just ask, and Alexa will provide the latest forecast. Setting timers for cooking or alarms for your morning routine is also incredibly easy. Furthermore, if you have smart home devices, Alexa can control them with simple voice commands, turning lights on or adjusting your thermostat without you lifting a finger. Beyond the basics, Alexa offers many advanced features to enhance your experience. Explore and enable skills in the Alexa app to add new functionalities, from games to news updates. You can also create personalized routines, allowing a single command like Good Morning to trigger several actions, such as turning on lights and playing the news. Enjoy multi-room audio by grouping devices to play music throughout your home. Plus, make hands-free calls to contacts directly from your Alexa device, connecting with loved ones effortlessly. To ensure the best experience, regularly review your privacy settings within the Alexa application. If Alexa doesn't understand a command, try rephrasing your request clearly and concisely. Sometimes, a slight change in wording makes all the difference. The Alexa app also provides a comprehensive help section with detailed troubleshooting guides for common issues. Finally, always keep your Alexa device's software updated to benefit from the latest features and security enhancements, ensuring smooth and reliable operation for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.